Hello everyone, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and let me show you about 6 or 7 live trades I'm in now. I don't recommend trading this much, but I just want to show you proof that this stuff works. Wow. So, first of all, let's get this out the way. This is a live account, and the date, you can see it right underneath my positions. It's 2/26/2021, so you can always take any indicators off or add your own indicators, and you'll be able to follow the price action and verify that this is real. Okay, so on this one here, this is NDD Swiss. You can see I'm just going into, it's actually Friday now. And so I'm going to be closing out some of these positions because it's going into the weekend. But I have 3 positions on here, and let me get my trusted calculator. Hold on one second, because we need to calculate this as we go along. Okay, so give me a second. So you'll see the ending of my calculator. There we go. And let me do this. I will pin this to taskbar. All right, perfect. Got it there. And let's pull it up. I posted another video or a couple of videos this week, so you can go back and see the different pairs and the different things I was doing. But nevertheless, it's just showing you consistency of profits that can be made if you follow the rules, okay? If you follow rules. So I'm going to leave that right there. We can say that was 263 pips. Boom, boom, boom. Plus, okay, right in front of you. So that's NDD Swiss, 3 positions right in front of you. And I'm going to close out 2 of them now. And you'll see the pip number reduce, okay? Boom. Boom. Okay. And this one right here, I will move my stop down to protect my interests, and I'll put it at this level here, right there. Okay, so I've just locked in profit on that one. Okay, and we've seen that that was around 263. Let's go to the next one. The next position I'm in is Euro NZD, and you can clearly see I'm up 106 pips. So we click plus 106. Okay, and I'm going to lock in some gain on that one as well. After I finish this video, for time's sake, I'm not going to hold you up. Then I'm in this one, which is 21 pips. So we put plus 21. It's on Euro, and you can see these, what position and what time frame I'm in. Euro JPY right there. Okay, and it's going into the weekend. I think on this one, I'm going to go ahead and just take my money. So I'll close this out, 22 pips. I said 21, but that's 22. Well, there it goes, 21. Next, our next candidate, we have Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss is up next. And that one was off the 15-minute. And there we go. So as you can see, it's in the zone, and it seems to be bouncing. Take a look at this 1 hour time frame. I think it still can push to what I'm looking for. So with that being said, it's up to me. I can measure it and see from where price action is. And this is where you learn not to be greedy. From where price action is to target, it's another 15 pips, but I got 100 on the table. What would you do? What would you do? So first of all, let's put our 100 plus 100. So we're at 490. Well, here's the first thing you should do is take some money and, take some money and run. But we'll see. I'll leave it running until the end of London and see what happens, okay? All right, so I'll leave that going. Next, let's go to here, CAD. And we have the CAD JPY. Okay, and that is another 13 plus 13. So now we have 503 pips. And next we have CAD Swiss. And that's another 13. Plus. This one is a last low 4-hour runner, running off the 4-hour. So let's take a look. So that's what I'm looking at. So this one I'm down 5 pips. Okay. Minus 5 pips. For a grand total in 24 hours of 511 pips. Isn't that freaking amazing? Just amazing. I'm really excited for you guys. Those who have our system, I'm very happy for you. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my 5 pips and run, because it's going into the weekend and I don't want to hold it over the weekend on this one here. So I'll take my close. I'll close it out, get my 5 pip loss. And there we go. So I'm done. I'm done. And that's my positions. So you guys, thank you for joining me. You've seen this live and on a live account. And again, you can see the date, which is 2/26/21. So you can go back to the date on your own and you can verify this price action for yourself. And again, just so everybody's clear, this is a live account and you did witness me count up my pips, the win and loss for yourself for a grand total of 511 pips. All right, you guys. Have a great weekend. And if you purchase our system, I will see you in class, because it does come free. Classes are free on Tuesday and Wednesday. Every Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm in here with you guys, and you can actually talk to me, because I actually do the question and answer period, which is my favorite part of my trading career, is talking to you guys, where you come on in, you learn from me, I learn from you, and you become part of Team Easy. That's what we're calling ourselves, Team Easy. So come on in and be a part of Team Easy, and you're struggling with trading. You know, you don't have to. It's a choice, but the help is here. The trading system is here. And, you know, come on in. By the way, do me a favor and hit the like button. Hit the like button, okay? And hit the subscribe button, okay? So when I'm posting videos, because I'm putting out content all the time, so make sure that you are getting a notification when you get it. Also, I've been doing this for quite a long time on Sundays. I love doing my videos. So make sure that on Sunday that you're tuning in, because that's when I start teaching Forex lessons on Sundays. Okay. Very important information you need. But either way it goes, I'm here. I'm here. Lone voice in the Forex world. I know it's a tough journey, but it doesn't have to be. Okay. So you see me take, it was 7 trades, I believe it was. And only one was a loss, down by 5 pips. Okay. No big deal. All right. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.